Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Kia Optima Platinum. Stock reference number 4925. This shape runs from the 11th month, first month 2011 through to the 10th month 2015. It has a G4 KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 KJ 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which has light hail, good private, radiated grille, right hand HID headlight, right hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left hand fog light, left hand HID headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left hand side skirt, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, with the left hand boot lid garnish, right hand boot lid garnish, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, right hand side skirt, right rear door has 8 small dents, right front door has 6 small dents, right guard has 5 small dents, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, sat nav head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.